Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. It says best contractor grade quality Fortress high performance series compressor. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more turbos to deals. Yeah, we got the new compressor from Harbor Freight, or from Fortress. It says high performance series air compressor, pro performance for everyday use. You got a 6-gallon 0.95 horsepower, 175 psi oil-free air compressor. So it's pretty much the upgrade from the older version of the pancake compressor. This is a 6-gallon, so yeah, it's pretty much the upgrade with all the new features, higher quality. We got it says new large 2-inch gauges, easy to read, large rigid regulator knob. This is the regulator knob. Lightweight design, easy access ball drain valve on the bottom. Fully protective surround. Got nice soft start technology. 2 brass high flow universal couplers. So it does have 2. So you can do 2 at a time for 2 guns. Durable rubber feet. $119.99. Yeah, it's not a bad little compressor here for $119. If it's quieter, does it say the dB? Let's see here if it says the dB. Yeah, it doesn't. Air delivery 3.0 CFM. It doesn't really say the dB on this like the ones on the bottom. It says 78 dBA. This one says. This one does not say. Yeah, but like this one does say. That's weird. But it's supposed to be quieter than just your regular compressor. Alright, if you guys need the coupon, feel free to take a screenshot, a picture on the computer, whatever you have to do. Get this picture and show it at the cashier. All you need is the coupon code 49423962. This is valid through 2/16. So you guys got about a week. You got a 4-gallon, 1.5 horsepower, 200 psi performance oil-free professional air compressor, $199.99, and you got the 5-gallon, 1.6 horsepower, $279. This is one of the newer ones too. You got the 27-gallon, 200 psi oil-free professional air compressor, $379. And these are the quieter ones. These are the ones that's supposed to be quiet, according to Fortress. That's what they're advertising. Fortress Ultra Quiet Series, 80% quieter, times 2 longer life, up to 50% lighter, 20% more runtime. This is the 1-gallon, 0.5 horsepower, 135 Ultra Quiet Oil Free, $109.99. This is the 2-gallon, 1.2 horsepower, 135 psi, $149.99. And then these are your regular gonna be your mid-range compressor. You got the 8-gallon 150 psi, $124.99. 20-gallon oil lube air compressor, $174.99. Then you got the 21-gallon oil free, $229.99. And you got the good pneumatic, Central pneumatic, 3-gallon 100 psi. This has always been $39.99. You got the 6-gallon 150 psi oil free air compressor, $99.99. Yeah, so this is pretty much looks just about the same as this compressor here, this top one. It's only, what is it, about $20 more if you want the upgrades. So definitely worth it. If I were you, I would definitely go for the upgrades. You got the 26-gallon 150 psi oil-free air compressor, $209.99. Then you got the 30-gallon 180 psi truck bed gas powered. Yeah, I seen these at the construction sites where people have them in their trucks, bolted on their trucks on the back of the bed. These are definitely really nice if you're working out there in the field. $1,199. Definitely a lot cheaper than other brands, from Home Depot and all that. You got the 9-gallon 135 psi gas wheelbarrow air compressor, $599.99. You got air compressor accessories. Definitely Harbor Freight does have some nice ones. Anything with the Diablo or Earthquake XT, even Merlin. Those are great brands, by the way. Got the Central Pneumatic 3/8 by 50 retractable, $59.99. It does have 4.5 stars, so it's a great little item. 3/8 by 50 feet enclosed retractable. This is the new one, $79.99. You got the 3/8 by 50 professional retractable hose. This is the Diablo, $94.99. And then you got the professional industrial grade. Or, yeah, this is the professional and this is the industrial grade. 3/8 by 50 says the same thing, $169.99. This actually has more stars than this. So, and you got the 5-piece. I did buy this. I have absolutely no problems with these. I bought this with this hose, and those work really good. You got the 5-piece brass industrial coupler conductor kit, $5.99. Got the 17-piece accessory kit, $6.99. You got the 100 feet manual steel air hose reel, $14.99. This is a nice little reel here. You got the 3/8 by 50 industrial grade. Yeah, this is, if you guys haven't seen that video, I did put some baseboard. I was using this thing. I was running it over. And this is a really nice hose, you know. It's a full rubber, so there's really nice. $18.99 is definitely worth it. Then you got the Earthquake Impact guns. Anything with an Earthquake XT is going to be your top of the line Earthquake. So these are your Earthquake XT are your professional line. These are mostly, I would say, prosumer household use. Alright, you got the high speed air cutoff wheels, $6.99. 1/4 exhaust angle grinder, $14.99. Yeah, these use a lot of air, by the way. Professional straight line air sander, $79.99. Same thing with these. You need a big compressor for all these. 6-inch professional orbital composite sander, $79.99. You got the Chief Professional Performance Air Tools. Professional high-speed metal air reciprocating saw, $29.99. You got the 4.5 angle grinder, $79.99. You got the 4-inch professional high-speed extended reach cutoff tool, $103.99. And then you got the 1/4 professional hydraulic riveter, $119.99. You got the Black Widow made by Spectrum professional air spray guns. It says times 10 times live, 4 times faster, precision pattern control. You got the 20-ounce professional HTE compliant top coat air spray gun, $149.99. You got the 20-ounce professional HVLP base clear coat spray gun, $149.99. So basically your choice. And this is gonna be like the next tier down. So this is basically the same thing, but the next tier down for $99 and $99.99. You got the good Central Pneumatic. I do have this one. Works really good. And I do have this one. The 3-in-1. Actually, no. I have the 21-degree Fermi nailer. That's the one I have. I don't have this one. I have that. But you know, it's the same thing. They work really good. The only thing on the nailers, you do have to push it a little. You do have to put some pressure. So I wouldn't call this a professional grade. I would call this like an emergency gun or household use on this one. I will definitely you definitely have to put some pressure on the wherever you're gonna put the nail, and then pull the trigger, and then the nail's gonna go all the way in. And you do have to run them at high PSI too. This one I have absolutely no problems. No jams, no nothing. I wouldn't let these run low though. I would keep plenty of nails in there. Great value though for the homeowner, if somebody that doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money. You got the Better Banks nailer staplers. So these are the better ones, $24.99, $79.99 for the framing nailer, and then you got the flooring for $119.99. And then you got the best one out of all of them, according to Harbor Freight. I haven't used any of these, but they do have 5 stars. Even these have 5 stars, by the way. These have about 4. Yeah. So I would say about 4 stars is still a great product. You get the best pierced nailer staplers, contractor grade, 4x live, 15 gauge professional finish nailer, $79.99. Got the 15 degree coil roofing nailer, $149.99. You got the 21 degree framing nailer, $159.99. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.